Matthew with Green Beans Grow here, and in 2 minutes or less, I'm going to show you how to make a soil mix for planting seeds. For this soil mix, you will need 3 things. 1. You will need potting soil. I recommend organic potting soil, and something that's been stored indoors is preferable. 2. You will need perlite. Perlite will assist in the drainage, and it will also help to prevent soil compaction. 3. You will need cocoa coir. If you need help preparing your cocoa, please see our earlier video. Instead of cocoa, you may prefer to use sphagnum peat moss. Peat moss has an acidic pH. This is ideal for many types of seeds. However, if it's a problem for the seeds you plan on growing, you can neutralize it using lime. I have a storage container here that I cleaned out with hydrogen peroxide, so I know it's good and clean and ready to start mixing my soil substrates. I'm adding 2 parts of our soil here. 2 scoops. Now I'm adding another 2 parts of the cocoa. If you're using peat, this would be 2 parts peat. Now 1 part perlite. 1 part water. Now thoroughly mix this all together. Make sure to completely mix the cocoa, the soil, and the perlite. It's essential to get this evenly mixed so it has adequate hydration, drainage, and compaction properties. It's starting to look pretty good now. You can see the moisture is pretty evenly distributed. This soil mixture is about ready. Now it's time to get our seeds together and get planting. Here's a close-up shot of our soil mixture, and you can see the perlite, cocoa, and soil is all evenly mixed together. This will give excellent moisture retention properties, drainage properties, and soil compaction properties. Please support this channel by liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching!